What's up everyone? Today I'm showing you the easiest way to airdrop an NFT mint on Solana. You need no coding experience, all you need is a Solana wallet and some artwork for your NFT. Head on over to Mintz.pro, click on Start Minting. This takes you over to the dashboard. Now, click on Select Wallet and choose your wallet provider. Once selected, click the button once more to sign a message to log in. Now we're signed in. Let's top up our account with some credits by clicking the top up button. In the UI, you can see the pricing, but basically it's 1 credit per NFT. Click on Purchase Credits and wait for the transaction to complete. This can take a minute, so please be patient. Now we can get to minting. Click on NFT Drop. Start by filling in the basic metadata of your mint, the name, symbol, and a description. Then upload an image or a video from your computer. You can also add arbitrary attributes like rarity, for example. On the next page, we define our royalties. That means how big of a slice you will get from the resale price of your NFT. Then we define the creators, among whom the royalties will be split. On the last page, we will add the recipients who will receive the mints. Just add the recipient public key and amount of this NFT you want them to get. You can add up to 10,000 recipients. Optionally, you can also schedule the drop for a later date. If not scheduled, it will start going out immediately. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page. Click on the big blue button to start the mint. Now your mint is ongoing. Back on the dashboard, you can follow its status. If you click on the mint, you will see a list of each transaction, so you can be sure your mint was delivered successfully.